Deep in the heart of a sun-drenched garden lives a tiny hero named Mel. Mel is a bee, but she isn't scary at all. She wears a soft, fuzzy yellow sweater and has a very important job to do today. Mel loves to zip and zoom through the air. Her wings make a gentle hum, hum, hum sound, like a happy little lullaby. She isn't looking for trouble. She is looking for the brightest, happiest flowers in the yard. Look, Mel has found a giant blue bellflower. She crawls deep inside to find a sweet treat called nectar. It's like a delicious fruit juice that gives her all the energy she needs to fly. Fuzz has been very busy. Look at his legs. They are covered in tiny yellow sprinkles. This is pollen. It sticks to his fuzzy coat like magic gold dust as he hops from flower to flower. When Mel and Fuzz carry this pollen to different plants, something amazing happens. It helps the flowers turn into the yummy foods we love to eat, like crunchy apples and juicy strawberries. Nearby, a little boy named Pip is playing in the tall grass. When Pip sees Mel fly by, he remembers to stay very still. He knows that if he is calm and gentle, Mel will just keep on working. Mel flies right past Pip's nose. She is so busy helping the garden grow that she doesn't mind Pip at all. Pip watches her fuzzy yellow back and realizes that bees are just like tiny gardeners with wings. So, the next time you hear a hum, hum, hum in the garden, don't be afraid. Just wave a little hello to Mel and Fuzz. They are our fuzzy friends, making the world a beautiful place, one flower at a time.